I'm gonna go over my BELABOX IRL setup here. This is the DJI Action 4 camera that I'm using. That is plugged into the front with a USB-C to USB 3.0, and it is in the blue port here on the front of the Orange Pi 5 Plus. It's magnetic, so it's stuck to that. I've got two connections here that are wired in Seago M3000 with a T-Mobile SIM, a Samsung Galaxy S23. I bought this cheap on eBay. I'm using that for the AT&T SIM connected with this wired dongle here that goes with that. Cheap on brand battery bank, 20,000 milliamp, and that is powering this. So if you want to build your own setup for live streaming, give me a comment and we can get in touch and make your own, and I'll leave a link for all of the parts for building this setup. Thank you.